How to perform a 401k to Gold IRA rollover. Introduction. Are you thinking about securing your retirement with a more stable and potentially profitable investment? If so, you might want to consider rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA. But what exactly is a Gold IRA and why should you consider this option? Let's dive in and explore everything you need to know about a 401k to Gold IRA rollover. Understanding 401k plans. Overview of 401k plans. A 401k plan is a retirement savings plan sponsored by an employer. It allows employees to save and invest a portion of their paycheck before taxes are taken out. Taxes aren't paid until the money is withdrawn from the account. Benefits of 401k plans. 401k plans offer several advantages, such as tax-deferred growth, employer matching contributions, and high contribution limits. These benefits make them a popular choice for retirement savings. Limitations of 401k plans. However, 401k plans also come with limitations. Investment options are typically limited to a selection of mutual funds and stocks, and fees can be high. Additionally, they can be vulnerable to market volatility. Introduction to Gold IRAs. Definition of Gold IRAs. A Gold IRA is a type of individual retirement account (IRA) that allows investors to hold physical gold, silver, platinum, and palladium instead of the usual stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. It provides the same tax benefits as a traditional IRA. Types of precious metals allowed. Gold IRAs can hold various forms of precious metals, including bullion bars and coins that meet certain purity standards. Benefits of Gold IRAs. Gold IRAs offer benefits like diversification, protection against inflation, and the stability of physical assets during economic downturns. Reasons to roll over from 401k to Gold IRA. Diversification of investments. Diversifying your investments by including precious metals can reduce risk and increase potential for growth. Unlike paper assets, gold can provide a hedge against economic instability. Protection against inflation. Gold has historically maintained its value over time, making it an effective hedge against inflation. Stability during economic downturns. During times of economic crisis, gold often outperforms other assets. Having gold in your retirement portfolio can provide stability and peace of mind. Eligibility for 401k to Gold IRA rollover. Who can roll over their 401k? Most individuals with a 401k plan can roll over their funds into a Gold IRA. This includes those who have left their jobs or are nearing retirement. Age and employment considerations. If you're still employed, you may need to check with your plan administrator to see if an in-service withdrawal is an option for you. Steps to initiate a rollover. Choosing a reputable Gold IRA custodian. The first step is to select a trustworthy Gold IRA custodian. Look for companies with a solid reputation, good customer reviews, and transparent fees. To see a vetted list of top companies and their requirements, please visit our website at givemethegold.com. You can also see some of our picks and links below the video. Completing the necessary paperwork. Next, you'll need to complete paperwork to open a new IRA account and initiate the rollover process. Your custodian will guide you through this. Transferring funds. Finally, you'll transfer the funds from your 401k to your new Gold IRA. This process can take a few days to a few weeks. Choosing the right Gold IRA custodian. Factors to consider. When choosing a custodian, consider factors such as fees, customer service, storage options, and reputation. Recommended custodians. Some well-regarded Gold IRA custodians include Augusta Precious Metals, Goldco, and Birch Gold Group. See links to our top company recommendations below the video or at our site at givemethegold.com. Types of gold allowed in Gold IRAs. Bullion versus coins. Gold IRAs can hold both bullion and coins. Bullion is valued by weight and purity, while coins may have additional numismatic value. Purity requirements. The IRS has specific purity requirements for gold in IRAs, typically 99.5% pure or higher. Tax implications of a 401k to Gold IRA rollover. Tax benefits. A direct rollover from a 401k to a Gold IRA is generally tax-free. This allows your investments to continue growing tax-deferred. Potential penalties. If not done correctly, a rollover can incur taxes and penalties. It's crucial to follow the IRS guidelines and work with your custodian to avoid these issues. Risks and considerations. Market risks. Like any investment, gold prices can fluctuate. While gold is generally considered stable, it's not completely risk-free. Storage and insurance. Physical gold needs to be stored securely, typically in an IRS-approved depository. Additionally, you'll need insurance to protect against loss or theft. Comparing traditional IRAs and gold IRAs. Key differences. Traditional IRAs typically invest in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, while gold IRAs invest in physical precious metals. Pros and cons of each. Gold IRAs offer diversification and stability, but they can have higher fees and storage costs. Traditional IRAs may have more growth potential, but are subject to market volatility. Case studies and success stories. Real-life examples. Many investors have successfully rolled over their 401k into a gold IRA and benefited from the stability and growth of precious metals. Lessons learned. These case studies highlight the importance of thorough research and choosing a reputable custodian. Common mistakes to avoid. Pitfalls during the rollover process. Common mistakes include not following IRS guidelines, choosing an unreliable custodian, and not diversifying your portfolio. How to avoid common errors. Avoid these pitfalls by doing your research, working with a reputable custodian, and ensuring you understand the rollover process. Conclusion. Rolling over your 401k to a gold IRA can be a strategic move for diversifying your retirement portfolio and protecting your savings against economic uncertainties. By understanding the process, choosing the right custodian, and avoiding common mistakes, you can secure a more stable and potentially lucrative retirement. Visit GiveMeTheGold.com now to see the best gold IRA companies on our vetted list who can help you with your rollover today.
Here is GiveMeTheGold.com's recommendations of the best gold IRA companies to do business with. These companies have been vetted on their reputation and reliability. Now, on to the list.
1. Augusta Precious Metals. Augusta Precious Metals offers fair pricing and great customer education. They offer no fees for up to 10 years with qualifying purchases and are offering a free gold coin with new accounts as a limited time promotion. Customers like working with them because they are trustworthy and focus on customer satisfaction. Minimum investment with Augusta is $50,000. Visit startmygoldira.com or see link below the video below. You can also call them at 1-855-470-4636. Rest assured you are in great hands with their exclusive white glove service and that they are ready to help you today. 2. Birch Gold Group. Birch Gold Group is a great choice for turning a 401k into a gold IRA. They are known for good pricing and excellent service, including a hassle-free rollover process. Birch ensures personalized support to help investors meet their financial goals. The minimum investment with Birch is $10,000. Visit goldforthefuture.com to request your free kit now. 3. Noble Gold Investments. Noble Gold Investments is known for having the best prices on gold bullion. They focus on IRS-approved gold and offer a variety of investment options. Investors appreciate their high-quality gold investments and expert advice. The minimum investment with Noble is $20,000. Visit noblegoldinfo.com to get a free kit now or see the links below the video.
See our report of the top-rated gold IRA companies of the year and more information on gold IRAs and other precious metals investing in our informative website at GiveMeTheGold.com. We look forward to seeing you soon.